Hey everyone, today is a tutorial in the Pages app on the Mac, and it's how to rotate an image or a shape or whatever you might have, maybe even a text box in the app. So if you want to follow along, you can quickly grab a shape out of here, or probably the shape is the easiest to start with. Or if you already have an image that you want to rotate, just go with that and select it. I already have a pink square here. So normally you'd move your mouse or your mouse over to the corners and you'd get a resizing option here, and that just resizes it. But if you want to rotate, all you need to do is move over any of the resizing tabs and hold down the command button. Then you get an arching 2 arrows, and then if you just click and drag, you can rotate whatever you're rotating easily, and this is just a mostly finer way to rotate. If you want more exact rotations, you can continue holding down mouse and command, or you can let go of command actually, and you can hold shift then, and you get exact 45-degree rotations. Then you just let go of the mouse and it's rotated. If you want a more interesting way to rotate, you can hold down command again, start the rotation by grabbing, and then you can let go of command, and then if you hold down alt, it ends up rotating around a center point that is opposite to the point that you selected. So I selected this point up here, and it's rotating around this opposite point down here. And if you want 45-degree rotations from that, you can hold down shift as well as alt, and you will start rotating exact 45-degree amounts around that point. Then you just let go of the mouse and it's rotated. So that is a very simple, easy way to rotate images and shapes and whatever you want to rotate in the Pages app on the Mac. I hope you learned something from this, and I hope to see you in the next tutorial. Bye.